Namaste, myself JVN Professor K.K. Chaudhary, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women University. My subject is Animal Physiology and Endocrinology, and today we will discuss about the regulation of the heart rate. As you have just learned about the cardiac cycle and the cardiac output that depend on both heart rate and the stroke volume. Adjustment in the heart rate are important in the short-term control of the cardiac output and the blood pressure. The SA node initiate contraction and if left to itself would set a constant heart rate of about 100 beats per minute. However, tissue require different volume of blood flow under different conditions. During exercise, for example, cardiac output rises to supply working tissue with increased amount of oxygen and nutrients. In these cases, hemostatic mechanism maintain the adequate cardiac output by increasing the heart rate and contractility. Among the several factors that contribute to regulation of heart rate, the most important are the autonomic nervous system and hormones released by the adrenal medulla. कि दो चीज़ें हैं जो हार्ट रेट को कंट्रोल करती हैं, ऑटोनोमिक नर्वस सिस्टम और जो हॉर्मोन्स एड्रिनल मेडुला से रिलीज होते हैं दैट हैव ए इम्पोर्टेंट रोल इन द रेगुलेशन ऑफ द हार्ट रेट. द फर्स्ट वी डिस्कस अबाउट द ऑटोनोमिक रेगुलेशन ऑफ द हार्ट रेट. कि नर्वस सिस्टम रेगुलेशन ऑफ द हार्ट ओरिजिनेट इन द कार्डियोवैस्कुलर सेंटर इन द मेडुला ओब्लॉन्गेटा. यू कैन सी हियर the cardiovascular center in the diagram. This region of the brain stem receive input from variety of sensory receptors and from higher brain center such as limbic system, cerebral cortex. The cardiovascular center then direct appropriate output by increasing or decreasing the frequency of nerve impulses in both the sympathetic and parasympathetic branch of ANS. Even before physical activity begins, especially in competitive situation, heart rate may climb. ठीक है कि भाई competitive सिचुएशन के अंदर जब फिजिकल एक्टिविटी शुरू होनी है उससे पहले हार्ट रेट आपकी बढ़ जाती है. दिस एंटीसिपेटरी इंक्रीज अकर्स बिकॉज the limbic system send nerve impulse to the cardiovascular center in the medulla oblongata. ये किस कारण होता है कि जो लिम्बिक सिस्टम है आपका वो क्या भेज रहा है, नर्व इम्पल्सिस. कहाँ पे, कार्डियोवैस्कुलर सेंटर के अंदर मेडुला ओब्लॉन्गेटा. एज फिजिकल एक्टिविटी बिगन्स, proprioceptors that are monitoring the position of limb and muscles send nerve impulse at an increased frequency to the cardiovascular center. Proprioceptor input is a major stimulus for the quick rise in heart rate that occurs at the onset of physical activity. Other sensory receptors that provide input to cardiovascular center include the chemoreceptors, which monitor chemical changes in the blood, baroreceptors, which monitor the stretching of major arteries and veins caused by the pressure of blood flowing through them. Sympathetic neurons extend from the medulla oblongata into the spinal cord. From thoracic region of the spinal cord, sympathetic cardiac accelerator nerves extend out to the SA node, AV node and most portion of the myocardium. Impulses in the cardiac accelerator nerve trigger the release of norepinephrine, which bind to beta 1 receptor on cardiac muscle fibers. This interaction has two separate effects. First, in SA node fiber, norepinephrine speed the rate of spontaneous depolarization so that these pacemaker fire impulse more rapidly and heart rate increases. In contractile fiber throughout the atria and ventricle, norepinephrine enhance calcium ion entries through the voltage gated slow calcium ion channels, thereby increasing contractility. As a result, a great volume of blood is ejected during the systole. With maximal sympathetic stimulation, however, heart rate may reach 200 beats per minute in a 20-year-old person. At such a higher rate, stroke volume is lower than at rest due to very short filling time. Maximal heart rate decline with age. As a rule, subtracting your age from 220 provide a good estimate of your maximal heart rate in beats per minute. Parasympathetic nerves impulses reach the heart via the right and left vagus nerves. Vagal axon terminate in the SA node, AV node and atrial myocardium. They release the acetylcholine, which decrease heart rate by slowing the rate of spontaneous depolarization in autorhythmic fibers. A continually shifting balance exists between sympathetic and parasympathetic stimulation of the heart. At rest, parasympathetic stimulation predominate. The resting heart rate, about 75 beats per minute, is usually lower than the autorhythmic rate of SA node, about 100 beats per minute. With maximal stimulation by the parasympathetic division, the heart can slow to 20 to 30 beats per minute or can even stop momentarily. This is the autonomic regulation of the heart rate. Now the chemical regulation of the heart rate. Certain chemical influence both the basic physiology of cardiac muscle of the heart rate. For example, hypoxia यानी कि लो ऑक्सीजन लेवल, एसिडोसिस लो pH, alkalosis high pH, all depress the cardiac activity. Several hormones and cations have a major effect on the heart. Hormones, the epinephrine and norepinephrine, enhance the heart pumping effectiveness. These hormones affect cardiac muscle fiber in much the same way as does norepinephrine released by cardiac accelerator nerves. They increase both heart rate and contractility. Exercise, stress, excitement cause the adrenal medulla to release more hormones. Thyroid hormone also enhance the cardiac contractility and increase the heart rate. Second is the cations. Cations, given that difference between intracellular and extracellular concentration of several cations are crucial for the production of action potential in all the nerves and muscle fibers. It is not surprising that ionic imbalance can quickly compromise the pumping effectiveness of the heart. In particular, the relative concentration of three cations, potassium ions, calcium ions, and sodium ions, have a large effect on cardiac function. Increased blood level of potassium ions or sodium ions decrease the heart rate and contractility. Excess sodium ions block calcium ions inflow during cardiac action potential. thereby decreasing the force of contraction, whereas excess potassium ion block generation of action potential. A moderate increase in interstitial calcium ions level speed heart rate and strengthen the heartbeat. This is all about the regulation of the heart rate. Hope this session is powered by Digital Version 2, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women University. Hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in the comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you very much.